a metal one, not a plastic one. This is a good one. I have already since my art school. And you can clean it. But my students buy sometimes plastic ones, they break. This one rolls very nice. Always in the beginning I turn a little bit so my whole roller is full of it. And you can roll nicely with it. Always when you want to have the end of the plate, also you want the line, so you don't want an open one. Like here it's open, you don't want that. Take them up a little bit. If you push to the end, a lot of time the ends are not nice. So take them up, take them up, take them up, then your edges are nice if you want that. You can lay this one the other way around. If I have too much on my plate, I just do it in a small honey pot. I have lots of small honey pot. I close it and it stays good. This is from the baby wipe. That's why I'm not so keen on the baby wipe. You can clean with tape, but sometimes the tape leaves some residue, some glue. So I don't normally do so much with tape. Only the edges are very nice with tape. Huh? If you do like this, oops. See, it takes off. I clean a lot with these ones. I roll on the back, clean my roller, push it. I take a paper, clean the sides. Clean the sides, and we clean again. I also clean the sides so I don't have some black there. And I dry it with the bed sheet, and then I take off and I have a print. Sponge. I wash quick as possible. As long as the acrylic is still wet, I can wash. It's not coming totally clean, and not every color is easy to wash. But I can reuse this one. Whoa. Then I let dry. Tomorrow I can use again. Drying from the used ones. Most of the time 4 times, but depends on the color. You can see that blue sticks really to the copy, but some colors are working fine in a long time. This one on a plastic plate, and I put him exactly on that corner, so when I push him back it's always on the same spot, and you can take it way easier and work with it. The old surrounding from the print, and I go over that black line, so I clean. I don't want a black line there. And under, I can still see the line a little, so it's perfect to push it, and I clean, so I don't have it in my print. I lay this one exactly on the place where it has to be. Transparant, that square. It's non-transparent. Is the square is open. You have transparent. This is now dry. And I roll it over. Second layer can be a little thicker. You see, if you take your roller up, he's on the edge. I take this off, so my edges are clean. Now I lay her back. So she's laying back exactly to the edges. The other plastic, I use Jensen. I look for the non-bubbly side. That's this one. And I lay my paper to the edge of my wood. Now I can even take him away from the thing because he's sticked already to the plate. Huh? So. Ten minutes. Then I have two of these ones. This one is a soft wood. I can do it softly. This one is an old box and we put stone in there. So it's quite heavy. Okay, I put all stone and still dirty inside. It's more heavy so it's easier to push. Have more black, this is what's softer. But Amsterdam, Pobeo and Aquaproof. Aquaproof works quite okay, but it's very matte. I mix both Amsterdam Heavy Gel with the Aquaproof. Both they came very good out of the test. And when I mix them, because Aquaproof is a little thinner and Heavy Gel is a little fast, so a little thick. So I put them together, I have perfect what I want. This will dry at transparant, so you don't see it. This one dried already the whole night, and then you can do with very hard rubbers. I have two different kinds. You can clean way better than you think. So if I don't like the brown stripe, gold, with hard rubber, and this is rubber Toshian, I can rub it quite nicely. 2 fingers, stretch it out, and then you can really take it away. Then it have clean borders.